Tuples in Python are immutable, meaning once created, they cannot be altered. This ensures data integrity and security. Their ordered structure allows predictable access and iteration. Tuples are faster than lists for read-only operations due to their immutable nature and are memory efficient, making them ideal for handling large datasets. Tuples in Python are immutable, ensuring data integrity and security. Their ordered structure allows predictable access and iteration. Due to their immutable nature, tuples offer faster performance for read-only operations compared to lists. Additionally, tuples are memory efficient, making them ideal for handling large datasets. A tuple is an ordered, immutable collection in Python, ideal for data that remains constant. Unlike lists, tuples cannot be modified post-creation, ensuring data integrity. Defined with parentheses, tuples allow duplicates and are one of Python's 4 core collection types, alongside lists, sets, and dictionaries, each with unique characteristics for data management. Tuples are ordered collections, ensuring items maintain their insertion order. Their immutable nature means once created, items cannot be altered, providing data protection and allowing use as dictionary keys. Tuples support duplicates, so identical values can coexist. They can store heterogeneous data types, including strings, integers, and even other tuples or lists. Creating a tuple is straightforward. Use parentheses with comma-separated values, like mytuple equals open parenthesis, apple comma banana comma, cherry comma apple close parenthesis. This preserves duplicates and order. Access its length with len of mytuple, which returns 4, and check its type using type of mytuple, confirming it as a tuple. These operations highlight tuples' immutable and ordered nature. Creating tuples in Python involves various methods. Standard tuples use parentheses with comma-separated values. For single-item tuples, a trailing comma is essential. The tuple constructor converts iterables like lists or strings into tuples. Additionally, Python supports tuple packing without explicit parentheses, allowing for concise syntax. Tuples in Python can hold mixed data types, as shown with 1, hello, 3.14, true. They support nesting, like outer, inner 1, inner 2, end, and can be empty. Tuple unpacking allows easy assignment, e.g., coordinates equals open parenthesis 45.5 comma, negative 122.6 close parenthesis results in latitude, longitude equals coordinates. Tuples ensure data integrity, are faster for reads, and can be dictionary keys.